Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Fear of God 1 string. This shoe has been riddled with delays and we still don't have an official release date for it yet, but we've got it in early and it is flames. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. And even before the shoe, you get all of the good goodies with Fear of God. We're talking £300 for these shoes. So you get 6 extra lace locks, with Fear of God branding on the bottom. It's all about the minimal details on these that make them so special. Extra hand tag, and as I said in our last Fear of God unboxing, this tote alone is worth the £300. I don't know what Jerry Lorenzo has done to it, but it's crazy. £300 worth of a tote right there. This shoe though is an absolute banger. Coming with premium suede on the toe cap, a nice thick, I'm going to call it like a ballistic mesh, coming all the way across the upper, and then this signature lacing system coming on the sidewalls. With a nice suede to the toe box and then black hits to round it off. This is countered perfectly by the nice translucent sole and the visible air underfoot. Jerry Lorenzo, when he designed the Air Fear of God 1, said that his gift was in shape, and this shoe, it's a bit rowdy for me if I'm being honest. £300 and I'm not too sure where it comes from. I know the materials are very premium and it is a lovely looking shoe. Although this shoe is expensive, Jerry Lorenzo has thought of all the finer details, so when you put your laces around like this, you'll never need to relace them again because we have the zip on the back to make it nice and easy to get them on. It's not very easy to undo, as you could probably tell then though. These will be releasing very soon. They were slated to release this coming Saturday, but I think Nike have realised they're releasing a bit too much this weekend, so they probably delayed it for a week or two. They will retail at £300 and stock will be minimal. There is very little resale to them, surprisingly. The OGs go up a lot of money, but more recent releases have been sticking around retail price. So if you're buying them, just wear them. Like, just enjoy your shoes for God's sake. Just wear your goddamn kicks. And as per usual, these will be limited to the normal retailers such as Foot Patrol, your Offsprings, all of those tier 1 retailers. You won't be finding these in your local Foot Locker. I've been Chris from The Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Fear of God 1 string, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.